You think you need thousands of dollars to start investing in the stock market? Most people never start because they think that they need more money or they don't know how. I'm going to show you how to invest your first $500 using the same strategy that got me 120 Apple shares in 2 years. Here's a little secret. I missed out on Apple for 2 years because I didn't make enough or have enough information. When I finally committed to buying Apple stocks every single month, I went from 0 to 120 shares in 2 years. The key wasn't having more money, it was about building the habit. If you're looking for help investing your first $500, click the link in the description for a free strategy call. I used to think I wasn't smart enough or didn't make enough money to invest. I watched Apple stock go up, and I sat there on the sidelines making excuses for myself. So you don't gotta be like me and sit on the sidelines. So here's my exact system. The stock market is made up of 11 sectors. All you gotta choose is 5 companies from different sectors. So, for example, you could do cybersecurity, financials, technologies, companies you actually understand. Once you have your 5 companies, you wanna purchase them. And the way you purchase them is through a brokerage account. So, what's a brokerage account? Pretty much it's the person in the middle. You have your money, the company has the stocks, the company gives the stocks to the brokerage, you give your money to the brokerage gives you the stocks and gives the company the money. Done. I recommend using Wealthsimple for beginners. You can use your bank or interactive brokers. If you're in the US, you can use Robinhood, Fidelity, there's a whole bunch of them out there. Okay, listen up. This part is very important. What you're gonna do is you're gonna buy 10 shares in the first company, then move to the next. Don't worry about the price in the beginning. Focus on building the habit. Once you have shares in all 5 companies, start the cycle again, go to 15, 20, whichever number you feel comfortable, and increase your position each time. If you want help with your first $500, that free strategy call link is in the description. Here's what I did to accelerate the growth for my Apple stock. I got my family involved to boost my buying power. That habit becomes automatic after months. Do me a favor, hit the subscribe button for more videos like this and give me a thumbs up if you're enjoying this content. And if you want to learn how to buy companies at a discount price, watch this video next.